how to make text bigger on Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make text bigger in Notion. So let's get right into it. First, open up your web browser and head over to notion.so. Once you're on the site, click the login button at the top right. If you're already logged into your Google account, the easiest way is to just hit continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Notion workspace. This is your digital home for everything, whether it's to-do lists, notes, schoolwork, or full-blown project plans. Go ahead and open the page you want to work on. Now, to make text bigger, click on the text block you want to change. Once it's selected, a small menu bar will pop up above it. From there, click on the Turn Into option or the 6-dot icon and then hover over Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. Here's how it works. Heading 1 is the largest and boldest, perfect for main titles. Heading 2 is a bit smaller, great for section headings. Heading 3 is slightly smaller still, ideal for subsections or smaller points you still want to highlight. These heading styles don't just change the text size, they also help organize your content, making your page easier to scan and read. If you want your whole page to use larger default text, you can also click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the page and turn on small text or full width depending on your layout preferences. And that's it. Super simple. Just a few clicks and you've made your Notion text larger and more structured. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and productivity hacks. See you in the next one.